Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can create an FTP account through cPanel, so let's get right into it. I'll be using this support topic to help you guys with this, since it's very well made and I don't have access to cPanel, but without further ado, let's get right into it. Now, of course, what you need to do first is, of course, log into cPanel. You do that by going into your URL bar on your browser, typing in either your server IP address or your server domain address, and then if you're using the IP, add :2083. If you're using a domain address, you can use either :2083 or /cPanel. That'll take you to the login, log into it, and then that's pretty much it. Now you need to go into the FTP accounts tool, and then once you enter that tool, you'll have this interface right over here. Under login, you need to enter your username for that FTP account. Of course, you need to select the domain which you want to use with that FTP account, or which you want to use that FTP account for. Then create a strong password, which you'll need to enter again just to confirm it, and then you're going to need to select the directory which your FTP account has access to. Now, whichever directory you put in here, if you just leave it as just the user, which I'm not sure if you can, but I'm pretty sure you can, if you use it as just the user, then the FTP account will have access to the entirety of your website files, which your user on cPanel also has access to. Or if you specify a specific directory, your FTP account will have access to that directory as well as any other subdirectories within it, and then you'll be able to use it. Once you've set everything up there, you need to go into your quota, select if you want to have it limited, and then select how many megabytes you want to limit the quota to, or you can set it to unlimited, and then you're pretty much done. Then after you've set everything else up, click create FTP account, and that is pretty much all there is to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.